Welcome back to another random Dollar General haul. Yes, I've been frequenting there now since they got their fall stuff. Today I didn't find anything extremely new, and I got some random house stuff. So I did pick up the 4-pack of Angel Soft. It's the fresh lavender scent. These are 2-ply rose. They are kind of small, but for $1, I don't know, I just picked them up. It just smells so good. So grab these. For $2, I got some of these fly guards, and these are like fly strips is what they're really meant to be, but they catch all flying insects. I got 10 of them for $2, and I plan on putting a couple of these on the porch because we like to sit out on the porch and play and just in general sit outside on the porch, which we have a roof. But the flying insects here, you know, we live in the country, pretty bad. Plus we live next to a couple farms, so, you know. I grabbed this Dawn's Special Value. It's one of the Escape ones. It's a New Zealand spring scent. Smells amazing. It's 8 fluid ounces. Didn't really need this, but I just thought I'd put it back in the cabinet because it smelled so good for $1. I got some of this vitamin C, 1,000 milligrams. I got sick the other day. I actually thought I was food poisoned. I was so sick. And then after I got over mine finally, Connor got sick. Then John got sick. So obviously everybody in the house is going to get sick. One person gets sick. So I thought we would try, John and I would try this 1,000 milligram vitamin C. But you get 7 in here for $1. So it's worth a try. I got John a couple of these Bridgeford red hot sausages. He likes these hot pickled sausages. So they're like 2 for $1. Just grab 2 of those. And one limited edition item I found is from Soft Whisper, and I found the Country Apple limited edition body wash. I love these body washes. You get 18 fluid ounces for $1. Can't beat it. It's a nice crisp apple scent. I love it. And to pair with like my Bath and Body Works Country Apple lotion and spray, why not? So I grabbed that, and that's all for the Dollar General. Next, I'm going to share with you some quick random yard sale items that I found. I don't have many. I only spent like $9 and something at this yard sale. It was like 50 cents per clothing item and things like that. So I want to share them with you. Well, I picked this fossil bag up. It's like a metallic rose gold purse. I don't know if you can tell, but I'm gonna insert pictures of this stuff, you guys. But it is from the Fossil brand, and I just love it. It does have a few little, you know, spots on it, but most of them are on the back anyways. The side you're gonna carry closest to your body anyways. And for $1, I picked up this Fossil bag. So I also have it full of clothes as well. And there was a pair of $2 Reebok tennis shoes, and they were nice. Don't look like they'd ever been worn. I got them for my nanny, so she has them. They're not in this haul, but they were really nice. And but yeah, I'm really pleased with this Fossil bag. This is a random shirt for me, and that's the brand Apartment 9 Lounge. Anyways, really soft, super soft, like a dark gray tee, and to go and wear when we go to the park, just casual wear out, or like we go to John's dad's house. We do a lot of things to get dirty there and things like that. So this shirt would be perfect. I just got it for like kind of like a don't care what happens to this shirt kind of thing, but it is a nice shirt overall. It's just a basic tee, scoop neck, and I'll insert pictures. I did get these nice pretty pink purpley shorts, and they are the Athletic Works brand. I got them the 2X in size 20. These are from Walmart. And this is like the true color right here, you guys. They're so pretty. And the next top I got actually kind of matches them, so it's really neat. These are just really soft and nice material, and to wear around the house, go outside in. Purely around the house though, these were a nice find for 50 cents. The next shirt is like super wrinkly, but that's okay. Hold on. This is a razorback type shirt. It's an extra large from Old Navy. It has a built-in bra. It is a dark kind of royal plummy purple. It's beautiful. It has some like ruffles here. It also has a v-neck in the front. Very soft, nice, flowy material. Once again, just to like wear around the house or pair with some leggings or even my new jeggings I got. This is actually a really nice top, and then to transition into fall you can wear an overlay or an over kind of a pullover thing with it, and I love the color. It's not coming off true to color, but I am going to take pictures later so you guys can see that. Also at the bottom it has like this like stretchy band, but I really love the material on this. It needs to be obviously all the stuff has to be washed, but it needs to be ironed a bit as well. The next couple things, or well actually the next 4 things, are for Connor. I found him this really like nice tribal Aztec-y kind of print top with a pocket. Now this is from Route 66, which is Kmart, and it is the large 10-12 size. He actually wears more of like a small right now, like the 6-7 size, but I thought that just because it's a little long doesn't mean he can't wear it. And the sleeves are going to be a bit long, so what I'm going to do is roll them up. And for around the house this fall and winter, like big deal, roll the sleeves up. He can wear this now, or we can put it off, put it in a tub for next year. From this Place Sports brand, this is also a large. All the boys' clothes I had were larges, but it has this nice basketball hoop and basketball. It's on fire, all that good jazz. It's gray. It's a muscle type tank and or muscle shirt. It's a tank top for Connor. I thought next year he would fit in this. It will probably still be big on him next year because since he's only in a small this year, but the flowier the better, and just to wear outside, and for 50 cents, it doesn't matter what happens to it. It doesn't matter if he tears a hole in it, spills Kool-Aid on it, whatever, you know what I'm saying, gets mud on it, grass stains, doesn't matter. And even if it's too big, it doesn't matter. It was 50 cents. The next tank I got him there was this one from the Arizona brand, which is JCPenney's, and it's a medium 10-12 according to their sizes. It is a tad smaller, even though it is a 10-12, but I just loved it. It's just blue with stripes. Once again, 50 cents. You really can't beat these. These ball shorts here, they are a size large as well, so he definitely cannot wear these until next year or later. But roll them down, roll them up, whatever to make them work. They are from Old Navy. Once again, 50 cents. So for $2, I got 4 pieces of clothing for Connor. For $1.50, I got 3 clothing items for me. And for $1, I got a fossil bag, $2 pair of Reeboks. I also grabbed these. I think I got these for $1, I think. But these Sensationals Illusion, none of them are missing. It still smells really nice and strong, so I snatched that up as well. And then one of my favorite finds is right here, and it's actually still in this Walmart bag. But this is one of my favorite finds, and for $3, can you guys believe this? Can you believe this? I got a Lego Dimensions set. Now, do not think, I'm pretty positive 100% doesn't have the disc in here with it. But this is actually one of the sets, or, well, gifts I was planning on picking up for Connor for Christmas is Lego Dimensions. Because he loves Lego so much. He loves the Lego games. He just loves Legos in general. But they had all the pieces and everything is in this fun pack here. So I saw these at Walmart for like 15 bucks a piece. So this is an Adventure Time fun pack. So I got that. It's got all the pieces in there. I got the initial like play board there. And then underneath all of that and all the hookups, several. Like I can tell you right now, that's Rhyme Style from Lego Movie. So they have their bases with them, which is what counts. That's what clicks them into the game. And there's several in there. There's several. See, here's like a car. Anyways, for $3, this was a steal. And even if this part doesn't work and we don't have the disc, you can still buy the game part of it. And then he'll have all these other characters and stuff to add to his game when he gets it. You know what I'm saying? It's still worth the $3. Anyways, that's all for the yard sale haul. I hope you guys enjoyed the yard sale and the Dollar General haul together. I hope you don't mind that I put them together. And thank you guys for watching. Stay tuned for more videos. And I hope you guys are enjoying these yard sale hauls. I've just been really in the mood to go yard selling. Like the video, subscribe, and don't forget to ring the bell so you don't miss any other upcoming content. Thanks always for watching.